Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use CapCut to create video easily for sharing or just for fun. So here I'm using CapCut for PC, and I think CapCut is one of the best apps because we can do everything while editing videos in one app. So after we downloaded the CapCut apps, just open, and before you uh, can to import videos, audios, photos here, for example, and then you can drag here for make the clip. So here we can check out the preview panels and then timelines and then toolbar here, and we can doing to split the clips. We can delete the clips, we can rotate the clips, we can crop the clips, and we can add audio, text, sticker, effect, transition, and many more we can getting from CapCut. So after you finish editing the videos, you can click the export button in the top right corner, and I think this video is especially for those who are using CapCut for video editing for the first time. So if you find it useful, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.